Okay, viewers, once again, welcome to today's edition of Trending News. I'm your host, Kwame Selassie. Charlie, it not be easy. Charlie, as things they go on, things they vibe, and then all those things, no. Issues they happen back to back. But today, we woke up to the news that Fela Makafui has been arrested, picked up, and then today, it's so sad. It's all about, I think it's basically about her arrest, Fela Makafui arrest over alleged sales of unapproved medication after pharmacy council petition. So, Fela Makafui has been arrested currently on the issues of her sales of medication. There has also been an issue, immediate press release too from one Exhubgh, which states, and I read, you read alongside with me as it plays on the screen. A renowned investigative documentary filmmaking firm in collaboration with the Pharmacy Council has successfully apprehended Makafui Precious Fela, a social media influencer, actress, for unlawful activities related to sales of unregistered drug yesterday, the 22nd of May 2024. After 6 months of meticulous monitoring of Fela's social media posts on TikTok and Instagram, Exhubgh and his team of undercover investigative journalists from Exhubgh 24/7 gathered evidence of illegal activities, including sales of unregistered drugs, false advertisement, and publishing unapproved adverts by the Food and Drug Board Authority. Upon arrest, a range of products were seized at the Mempe Assem shop, including the fertility tea that is the fibroid and the womb tea, the butt and the hips enlargement syrup, the butt and the hip enlargement oil, booty, whatever it is, cream, boot scrubs, hip and big butt tea, and then 8, the vaginal detox pill, male sexual vitality tea, spice herbal infection mixture, yoni wash gel, orgasm gel, weight gain syrup, that's spice coated powder, tiger herb mixture, sweet drip medication. During questioning, Fela confessed that most of the drugs she sold were not registered by FDA. She has since been granted bail. This joint operation aimed to protect the public from harmful and unapproved products, ensuring the highest level of pharmaceutical care and competent providers. Further updates will be provided soon. Signed, Exhubgh 23rd. This is as of 23rd May 2024. You see, viewers, I want you to follow me. We would keep updating you guys on this whole issue. You see, it started from somewhere, and then all this thing is heading towards like this today, that today, this today, that. But first and foremost, we want to start from Fela Makafui business. Who is the brain behind the registration of most of her business? You see, although Fela Makafui has been arrested, it goes a long way. Like, you see, there are issues, and then there are issues. First, her divorce issues coming up, medical coming in, the pictures, giving this, saying this. You see, whilst this happens, it opens the gateway for people to come through, start to ask questions. So I think after various questions being asked from one stage to the other, it's actually opening the whole family up. The whole family of medical and Fela Makafui. It's just opening them up. You'll be there, and then anybody can just stand up and then wants to investigate the next part, maybe the sister, the mom, the family members. Then it goes on and on. You get it? So first, now the business. Who is the owner of the business? The business was opened in the name of one Mr. We all know that the registration of Fela Makafui's business was done benefit. So this is viewers, you see this alongside the screen, that the Registrar General Department, that was the company registered 23rd April 2024. Wow, that means this is just a month ago that registration of the company was done. Wow, with company name simply Snatch Limited, registration number, and date of incorporation. That means it's been in incorporation since 7th May. Okay, that means the date there, that means the document was gotten from that date, but date of incorporation, that's the date of if I get it right, I think that's when the business started. It has a TIN number, the beneficiary owner of the company, and then one Mr. Samuel Edu Frimpong. We all know that that's medical's name. Occupation, nationality, Ghana. He's a male. Marital status, single. Wow. Email. Whoa. This is, this is some way. Viewers, I won't want to doubt the fact that if this document, I don't know, I want you guys to follow and share your comment in the comment section as well, for us to know, like, let's see the tendency or the legality of this document. If this document really means what it means, then that means the business of Fela Makafui is being owned by Samuel Edu, or maybe, well, we'll still want to give updates. We'll follow up on every little document that we have on this. But if the case be that the business of Fela Makafui is in the name of Samuel Edu Frimpong, then that means it also incriminates medical too as well in the whole setup. Now, Fela Makafui has been all over TikTok, social media in general, to sell some teas, some detox teas, some flat tummy teas, some bad medication and all those stuff. And in fact, has gotten so much influence from the general youth, the ladies and then all those stuff, to go into getting these flat tummy teas and then all those stuff. But to be honest with you, before anything of that sort has to be started in Ghana, I think it has to go through some various rules and regulations, that approval from FDA as well. But you see, in this world in which we are, we can't actually blame anybody for whatsoever Fela Makafui has also gone into. See, the truth be told, if the laws and regulations in this country is working right, see, let's not also blame anybody for what Fela Makafui has also done. If you have arrested her, arrest her in your shame, because one, you set up a whole thing saying that FDA, you are Food and Drugs Authority, blah blah blah. You have your own mandate. Fine. Right now, one of your mandates is also to do what? Drug registration. And if I'm lying, this is what is on your website. You stated it over here. Drug registration and what? Inspectoral division. Viewers, read. The division's mandate, as derived from Part 6, 7, and 8 of the Public Act 2012, Act 851, is to protect the public health and what? Safety by ensuring the availability of safe, efficacious, and quality allopathic medicine, vaccines, biological products, tobacco and tobacco products, herbal medicine, homeopathic medicine, food supplements, medical device, cosmetics, and household chemical substance on Ghanaian market. The key regulation function of the health HPTD includes regulation of clinical trials and product registration, and what? 1. Clinical trial department, drug and what? viewers, Charlie, ISMO, by a bonus star, pharmaceutical, so nutraceutical department. Wow. Herbal and homeopathic medicine department, vaccine and biological product department, tobacco and substance abuse department, medical device department, cosmetic and household chemical substance department, and then what? Safety monitoring department. So all these departments forms under what? The General Drug Registration and Inspectoral Division. You get it? So they are supposed to go through all this whatsoever we have to sell. How do you call it? People who take care of the product they used to take care of our cats, dogs, and then all the veterinary medications. The veterinary medications. It looks like I skipped down medication aspect. So the veterinary medication. All this together is being monitored by what? The FDA. So if the FDA was there, and then this lady, it's not today that she started selling this medication. These medications has been in like long time memorial. To be honest with you, like it's been some way. People going for these teas, and then it is now that somebody has rise to actually create a place or a scene for investigation. That is when FDA comes in, and then the pharmaceutical company, say what? The Pharmacy Council of Ghana. So for all this while, does that mean the Pharmacy Council of Ghana were not aware, or are like they are not aware that such medications are being on, like they are on the market, and then everywhere that is selling? It's sad. It's a sad country in which we are. Now that I made mention that whilst you open gates in the family, to your family, people will easily walk in and then exit. I think their divorce issue was up. People think it was fake news. After medical arrived back in Ghana, there was some hacks with Fela Makafui welcoming him into the country as well, and then all those stuff. That alone now was enough for us to say that, okay, fine, maybe it's a fake news or something like that. We went ahead and then blah, blah, blah. See, this won't come as a surprise to me. I've just read what the drug registration from FDA. That's a subsection of whatever they have on their own website. That's drug registration and inspection. See, to be honest with you, how well do you think this can be? So who has not done his or her work right? The fact that Fela Makafui is the person selling the medication and has been like incriminated with the whole fact that she's selling fake medications and then all this stuff. Guys, who do you think has not done his work right? It's sad how the country is getting to. Like, to be honest with you, we are in a country where somebody sits somewhere and refuses to do his or her work, and then later on, somebody is being incriminated for doing otherwise. If it is easy like that, say easy to open a company without registration. To be honest with you, if it is that easy, and then now even or they don't call FDA, is it that easy? Some places or something like that. You see, sometimes the process is too long for it, so people want to just bypass the FDA and then do whatever it has to do. So to me, I feel that we should put our system right. This is system error. Pharmacy Council has been in existence for long. Fela Makafui has been advertising this thing for long. Viewers, join me in the comment section. Tell me the last time or the very first time you saw Fela Makafui selling this whole flat tummy tea and then body enhancement teas and then all those stuff. Comment, just comment, leave your comment. You get in it this thing. just leave it there. We vibe from there, have the interactions, and then all those stuff. Let's get into like active interaction just in the comment section. You flow, I flow, we have response, we have a talk over there. See, to be honest with you, there's a whole lot that goes into this. Fela Makafui being arrested for what? You get it? Why don't we go and arrest the people, people who are like just there? And then they know that this thing is going on, and nothing has been done about it since time immemorial to date. This is the time they call for an arrest. Well, it began with day. I'm Kwame Selassie with you, Charlie viewers. Charlie, Asemna, like Atomeso. Simple like that. You get it? And it's trending all over. You see, these are our celebrities. People look up to. You get, people try to emulate them, like they try to learn things from them. So is this the Ghana we want to build? Like our children's children will come and look up to all these people and then be like, okay, Ofanise. That's why. You see, it's sad, but well, it's still a trending issue with Exhub Studio. I'm Kwame Selassie. Don't forget, we are in Ashaman, Middle East, just right behind the Roman Catholic Church. And then big shout outs to everybody inside the studios, the director, the CEO, the camera guys, the handlers, the editors. Charlie, everybody doing its work like, yo man, Charlie, thank you. And then viewers, let's go to the comment section. Let's do the needful. Let's share. Let's make everybody watch this video. Let's make everybody understand. This is just a breakdown to whatsoever is going on. We would follow up and give you updates from time to time as to whatever it is. From there, we will know what to do. Whatever is going on, we'll keep you updated as well, and then what will flow. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.